All right, hey Caleb, how you doing, buddy?
Good.
Fish jumping right around us. All right, we just posted a video today from last Saturday. We got on some big old speckled trout out here. We was on this point right up here, so we're going to try to ease up through here. There's a couple kayakers out here. Now the wind is blowing in here real strong. It's calling for rain right at 5 o'clock, which is right at 5 o'clock now. So I don't know what the weather's going to do to us, and this wind is blowing us around. So we had such a good time, we're going to try to do it again. My oldest son Benjamin's not with us. He's out with the teenagers from the church. One of the guys is having a birthday. Happy birthday, Josh. Stay tuned. We'll see if we can get it done for y'all. Got one? First cast out there? Get him, Caleb. Get mine out your way. Come on, buddy. Do you need a net? Up and in. There you go, Mark. The wind is tough, but Caleb got the first one. Need help? Got it, I don't got it. I got it, I don't got it. Oh, he just broke your line. This is your line. Right, there's your little back. Caleb cut the first one of the day. See ya. Good job. Got it. That's putting on a heavier jig head. Did it land in the net or under the net? That's funny. Under net. Calm down, Goofy. Nope, that was pretty much bouncing it. He's about 11 inches. See you, buddy. Mark got one. Yeah, that's Mark. Whoa. Mark gave me the thumbs up. I think that's a keeper. I have no idea, dude. I don't think so. There's one. Good one. Good one. Yep. Oh, come here, buddy. Nice. If I'm recording, I am. Well, so far, that's 3 in the boat. He won't be big enough to keep. He was an acrobat. He did a flip. Alright, we're almost back at the dock. And Caleb was throwing us a little jerkbait under here. A little bluefish. He got it in there good, didn't he?
He only bit the left of it.
Yep. Alright, show me the fish. And we're going to unhook it. I can't see anything but the top of it. Hold it straight up. There you go. Little bitty bluefish. That's going to probably do it for tonight.
Yep.
Well, we got out here Rudee Inlet probably close to 5 o'clock. And it was super windy. They called for 12, 15 miles an hour the whole time. So what that did is that pushed a lot of water in here. It was extreme high tide. So even now, taking the boat out at 8 something, it's still high tide. It's just not over the pier. So, well, we ended up catching about 3 speckled trout. We got a couple more on, we didn't land. You ended up catching a pinfish or something and a little bluefish. So, but those were in the dark and it was late, and you lost one by the green light. So, but we had a good time out here. We didn't get too hot. We weren't eat up with bugs. The breeze caught us. It kept us pretty cool and no bugs. We did see Mark out here, and he ended up catching what, about a 20-inch one and about another 18-inch one. So he got a couple nice speckles. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all soon.